Write an expression for the sequence of operations described below. 5 less than the product of 21 and 3. Whenever you are doing something that looks like two operations, you have to figure out what operations you're doing. I'm doing 5 less than something. Well, less than what? Less than the product of 21 and 3. So, what does product mean? Well, product means times. So the product of 21 and 3 is me writing out 21 times 3 in that order. So I have 21 times 3. Now, whenever you do a second operation, it's important that you wrap the first operation in grouping symbols. So I'm going to put parentheses around these. Now, 5 less than that. What does that mean? Well, 5 less than something means I'm taking away or subtracting something. So 5 less than something means I'm subtracting 5. So I'm going to subtract 5 from the quantity 21 times 3. So let me just write it out so it's the same exact color. My final answer is going to be parentheses 21 times 3, close parentheses, minus 5. And that's our expression.